We have one 2024 Bad Boy Avenger 60-inch. This thing has a 7-gauge commercial deck on it. It has the dial deck lift system, and this thing is capital stamping pulley, so it's all built commercially, but it's in a homeowner package. This has 2800 serviceable transmissions. This has your Pro filter now on the Kohler 7000 Pro. Serviceable 2800 transmissions. It's got the Interstate SP35 battery. It's a 60-inch mower, y'all. This thing is a beast of a mower for what you get. So I only got one. Y'all come get it. 623 North Main. I have plenty of 23 models left. The only difference is they changed the stickers up and a few little things. But sometimes it's nice to get a fresh year model. Y'all come get it.